Let's use this sample report. I'll refresh the data and use the saved parameter value. And you can see that when I export this report to a PDF file, there is a tag embedded here that controls the file name that this particular group is going to be split to. When I jump to the gloves group, I can see that that group is going to split to ctemp gloves.pdf. Helmets would be split to ctemp helmets.pdf. In each one of these tags, at the end, I also include an email destination. So this group is going to go to edo@milletsoftware.com, while this group is going to go to edo.millet@gmail.com. Now, in the Export Email tab, I specify that I indeed want to split that PDF file using this argument, PDF split tags, the name that contains all the pages, ctemp allpages.pdf. In our case, we're exporting to that file, but that file can come from any other source. So if you have some ERP software that generates a PDF file, as long as it can embed a tag, Visual Cut can process that PDF file, split and email it. Now in our case, we're also emailing to a particular tag here called PDF split tags email to. And the value of that tag is going to be populated dynamically for each one of the split steps. We're attaching a special tag, PDF split tags file, and that gets populated based on the name of the split file. And within the email message, if I go to the HTML editor, I can see that there's another special tag called PDF split tags file name no extension. So in our case, instead of gloves.pdf, it's simply going to say gloves. So let's see how this works. When I run this, there's a TMP folder that will show us the allpages.pdf and the split PDFs that got bursted from that PDF file. And then below here, we have an outgoing folder. Visual Cut is currently running with email queuing turned on. All the emails will appear as EML files in the outgoing folder, and then would automatically be sent out one by one using the SMTP queue service. So I'll start the process, and it's very quick. So click, and you can see that it's less than a second, and all of that happened. Here's the all pages. So here's the full PDF file, and you can see the split tag here. As it gets split, the tag gets removed from each one of the split PDF files. So let's have a look at one of them. Here is competition, and you can see that the tag got removed. And if I look at the email files, I'll just open one of them. You can see that indeed the file name is included thanks to that token. I'll include a link in the video description to the user manual section.